This tutorial shows you how to disable two-factor authentication and remove the Authenticator app from your Discord account on your Android device. First, open the Discord application on your Android device. Next, tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. Now, look for Account in the Settings list. Tap on Account to access your account settings. Scroll down to the section called How you sign in to your account. Moving forward, you'll see Remove Authenticator app if 2FA is already enabled. Tap on Remove Authenticator app. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Afterwards, you'll need to enter your Discord password for verification. Enter your password and confirm. Discord may also ask for your current 2FA code from your Authenticator app. Enter the 6-digit code and confirm. Your two-factor authentication is now removed from Discord. You'll no longer need an Authenticator code to log in, only your password. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you remove 2FA from Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.